Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, a look at the headlines. World Bank retains India's GDP growth at 6.3% for 2023-24, despite global headwinds. Rickman Mohan takes over charge as new BJP state president. FKJGP apprises Chief Minister on the latest findings concerning drinking water supply in Shillong. And vulnerable to quakes, Meghalaya prepares itself in case of any eventuality. And now the news in detail. The World Bank has decided to maintain its growth forecast for India in the fiscal year 2023-24 at 6.3%. This decision comes as India continues to exhibit strong economic growth despite facing substantial external challenges. The World Bank in its April report had cut India's growth forecast for 2023-24 to 6.3% from the earlier 6.6%. The World Bank's latest India Development Update IDU depicted India as one of the fastest growing major economies in 2022-23 at 7.2%. Senior BJP leader Rickman Mohan officially took charge as the new BJP state president today in the presence of outgoing President Ernest Mauri, state in charge of BJP Chuba Ao, Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek and BJP Karyakartas. Talking to reporters after taking over charge, Rickman Mohan said his main objective will be to strengthen the party ahead of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. He further said though the party has only 2 MLAs, its vote share will increase.
No, right now my duty is to strengthen the party. My job is to look after the party. Other than that, what will I have? See, Lok Sabha, upcoming Lok Sabha is very near now, 2024. So as soon as the order comes from the central, we'll start working. But still then we are going to strengthen our party right from today.
A delegation of Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people, FKJGP, today submitted a report to Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on the status of water samples collected on random sampling from 46 different water tanks across Shillong city. As per the findings, the water in at least 44 water tanks is found to be contaminated, while 2 are safe, which raises serious health concerns. Findings depicted that out of the 46 different localities tested, 44 localities showed presence of a coliform and E. coli organism with low pH value, high turbidity and iron content above the prescribed limit, which clearly indicates that the water collected and tested in these 44 localities is unsafe water as per FSSAI standards. Briefing media persons, FKJGP President Dundee Kongsit informed that the Chief Minister has assured the group that the matter will be looked into at the earliest.
So we have come and met the Honourable Chief Minister to ask him to kindly address this issue and give us assurance that our people, they really need good drinking water, because these are the basic amenities, basic amenities in life. So if the government cannot provide proper drinking water to our own people, I think it does not fit to govern also the state. So this is, we have come and met him, and he also has appreciated us a lot.
Meghalaya, being situated in seismic zone 5, is highly vulnerable to earthquakes. To prepare itself for any eventuality, the Meghalaya State Disaster is organizing mock earthquake preparedness exercise in all the 12 districts of the state. The district administration are entrusted to identify at least 5 locations in each district. Chairing the meeting, Commissioner and Secretary Revenue and Disaster Management Department Sanjay Goyal said the respective district administration is doing time-to-time safety audits of the old and vulnerable buildings in the state.
Those instructions have been given to the Deputy Commissioners concerned as the part of their District Disaster Management Authority They are empowered under the Disaster Management Act of 2005 to carry out the assessment of these structures and take appropriate action. This is a continuous exercise, and the Deputy Commissioners concerned are mandated to undertake this exercise and declare, if it is required, those buildings which are unsafe for habitation or are hazardous, to declare them as unsafe and take appropriate action under the Act.
The passing out parade of the second batch of Agniveer recruits of 58 Gorkha Training Centre was held today at Harish Parade Ground 58 GTC Happy Valley, Shillong. A total of 73 recruits successfully completed the rigorous recruit training. The parade was reviewed by Brigadier Robi Kapoor, the Commandant 58 Gorkha Training Centre, who congratulated the young soldiers on their readiness to take on the challenges that lie ahead in their service to the nation. The Chudwaku Sports Club emerged victorious in the thrilling final match of the second division football tournament, defeating the Muknor Thatmutlong Sports Club. The match took place yesterday at the Kyangnangba Stadium in Jawai. The tournament, named after late brother of South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai, titled the Debo Shulai Memorial Trophy, was organized by the West Jaintia District Sports Association. Luckidus Kriem of Chudwaku was awarded the Man of the Match title for his outstanding performance. Lalmal Sami Taryang was named the best goalkeeper, while Chan Mitre Dakhar was named the top scorer. And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 23.5 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 86%, while in the evening it stood at 76%. Rainfall recorded was 0.9 millimeters. The forecast, moderate rain is likely to occur at most places. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. World Bank retains India's GDP growth at 6.3% for 2023-24 despite global headwinds. Rickman Moman takes over charge as new BJP state president. FKJGP apprises the Chief Minister on the latest findings concerning drinking water supply in Shillong. And vulnerable to quakes, Meghalaya prepares itself in case of any eventuality. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us. And from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.